After waiting for so many days, we finally managed to get the all new GoPro Hero 8. Hey guys, I'm Ashik and I welcome you all to the tech series of the Meet Ahmeds. This is GoPro Hero 8, a flagship offering from the manufacturer. We personally bought this camera to improve our video production quality and also for occasional motovlogging. The links to purchase this product will be down in the description, so you can check the latest prices from there. Let's unbox the package and see what we get inside the box. As you could see, the camera was mounted on top of the package. The thumb screw and the lock mount can be removed, but the base is full of molded plastic. You can do some DIY and make use of this mount. The bottom package is where the rest of the accessories are placed. You will get the GoPro stickers to let everyone know you own a GoPro product. After that, you can find the sticky base mount, a battery and a USB Type-C charging cable. That's everything we get inside the package. Let's turn on the camera and take a first look at it. After selecting the language, it required the companion app to be installed on the phone. So that we installed it and followed all the instructions on the screen. And finally we were able to connect the GoPro to our phone. We weren't able to record anything by that day since there was no micro SD card inserted. So we bought the SD card the very next day and we went out for a short ride with the GoPro. Here are the few clips we recorded on the GoPro for you guys to see how it looks. We'll also be uploading few photos we clicked using the GoPro in our Instagram. Do follow us using the link mentioned in the description below. So far we are impressed by the results we got from the GoPro. It takes more time to play around with the features it offers. Until then, this is it. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you guys in the next video.